Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Clickup web application. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your Clickup website by going to your browser and search for app.clickup.com, and then you will need to log in with your account, and after that you will need just to follow the simple steps. So basically, after you access to your workspace or your ClickUp account, you will need to go to your personal settings or your profile setting. And to do that, you will need to go down here, and of course you will find your working space and you will find your profile space. And basically, now we will need to click on my settings, and here we are going to the settings, and after that you will need to go to down, deep down, or to the bottom of the page, and then you will find an option that is called delete account. And basically by clicking on delete account, it will pop up this confirmation message or menu or confirmation page. And to confirm it, you will need just to type your password, and of course make sure that you are reading all this information, so you can have more information on what would happen to your account if it is deleted. And of course, to confirm the fact that you want to delete your account, you will need just to type your account's password, and after that you will click on confirm, and by this you will have your account that has been deleted. And if you want to use your email to log in to ClickUp, you will need to create a new account with your email. So simply, this is how you can delete your account on ClickUp. Thank you for watching and see you next time.